Hi there, my name is Shrikant, and today I will go over the claims management system which is developed using Appian. So, this is my member 360 view where you can see all the customer informations and a policy list and claim list. So, in order to make a payment, I need to first select a claim. For that, I'm going to pick this claim. And this is my claim, and since the claim is already reopened, so this is a good candidate for the payment. If the claim is closed, then I won't be able to make a payment. Since there is a fire report associated to this claim, you should be able to make a fire related payment. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to make a payment now. And let's enter payee name, the amount $121,256. Billing address is 234 Kenoi Street, city is Woodland Hills, State, California, and 5-digit number for zip code. Payment type is final pay, and the details properly claims settlement. My billing address and mailing address is going to be the same. I'm going to select this. Okay, right now you don't see check number, check status, and the transaction status. I will submit this. Once it is submitted, you should be able to see the transaction status. In this case, it's completed, and the check number is generated, ending with the 973, and the check has not been printed yet. That is why it is in the pending status. So in order to print the check, what you need to do is you have to click on this button. Check has been printed and validated, and I should be able to see the check somewhere here in this link. So check has been downloaded. Then payee name followed with a check number. Payee name followed with a check number ending with 973. You see here, ending with 973. So I'm going to open this downloaded document. It looks something like this. Insurance company name and the pay amount, it's been displayed over in the header as well as the right hand side box. This is the claim which is associated to this particular payment. And since I have not selected that a date, it is displayed something as placeholder date. Otherwise, it gets displayed correctly. And you see the name, the check number, and the description of what I have added. And this is the deduction and the address. Basically, what is going to happen is when the check is printed, it will be sent over to this address. This is the address which I have added. And this is a signature. Fine. Let's go back to portal. And what if I wanted to reprint this check? Okay, I don't want to make any payment changes because these buttons are disabled. I won't be able to make any changes, but I wanted to regenerate that same check. So in that case, I have to specify the reason here. So I have the option here. I would like to print the check, and accordingly, I need to select the reason. So lost in the mail, misplaced after the delivery, partial or the complete damage or misspelled or incorrect info. Let's say misplaced after the delivery. That means I received the check, but after that I messed up with the check, or maybe I don't know where I have kept. So overall, it's going to be considered as a misplaced. So I have given selected the reason here, and I'm going to click on regenerate check now. Remember, the check number is ending with 973. I have the option here, pop-up window saying that previously issued check, that is this check, 973 check, will be voided, and the issued party is agreed of our terms and conditions. So, okay, click on print again. So 973 got changed to 960. In fact, I got the new check number. Again, the status still shows check printed. Let's see whether the check is really printed or not. How do I know whether the check is printed or not? The new check number has to be reflected on the check. Okay, so I'm going to click on this link. Again, the same format, pay name followed by the check number, pay name followed by the check number. So I'm going to open this, and you see the 960 ending with 960. You see over here check number. The other information remains as it is, no changes in terms of the payment amount, the address, and the description or the deduction or the claim number. Of course, no, since I have not entered the date, that is why the placeholder has been displayed over here. Let's quickly show you. I have not added the pay date. That is the reason, it got displayed as blank. But however, for the other check, it has been displayed. This was generated 10 minutes back. So let's see. What we can also do is we can what I'm going to do is I will select this. Let's say today's date, that is 21st June, and I'm going to reprint this. This time I'm going to give partial or the complete damage, or the best example is going to be misspelled or incorrect information, because without date I cannot present this check to the bank. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to select regenerate. So 960 should be replaced with some new check number. Print again. This time I got 630, and now I'm going to download. It's been downloaded. So I'll move my browser up. Okay, it's been downloaded, 630. And you see here the date has been displayed correctly, payment amount, check number, claim settlement, and the rest all information looks good.